Okay, this is number 38. I probably should have set this pen up before I started. Okay. Gallup poll released in December 2010 asked 1,019 adults living in the continental United States about their beliefs in the origin of humans. These results, along with the results from a more comprehensive poll from 2001 that we assumed to be exactly accurate, that's important, are summarized in the table below. So here's the percentage in 2010. Here's the percentage in 2001, which we assume to be the accurate percentage. It says state the hypotheses for the following research question. Have beliefs on the origin of human life changed since 2001? So we're not saying that 2010 is correct. We're just saying, have they changed since then? So the null is going to be that they haven't changed, that the population follows the 2001 distribution. So it's one of all of them have the same null, but this doesn't have an HO, so it's there, it's bad, that's probably wrong. The alternative would be that it's not exactly that it follows 2010, we just want to show that it has changed. We can only show the alternative to this. So the population doesn't follow the 2001 distribution. We can't say it follows 2010 exactly. We just want to show that it doesn't follow 2001, which means it's changed. So the observed values you got from multiplying these percentages by 2019. So to get the expected, since we know this is to be exact, we assume this is exactly accurate, this is what we would expect, these percentages. So to get the expected, you're just going to multiply these numbers by 1019. So I think you get 377 here. 1019 times 12%. 122. 1019 times 45%. 459. And then 6%. $61. Okay. So there's our expected values. So we're going to put these into our L1, these into our L2. So we'll go to stat, edit. I'm going to put 387, 163, 408, 61, and then L2 will do 377, 122, 459, 61. We're going to our stat menu, over to our tests, chi-square goodness of fit test. Observed is L1, expected is L2. Degrees of freedom, there's 4 categories, so this should be 3, K minus 1. We calculate. So we get a test statistic of 19.71. Degrees of freedom for this test are, we said 3. And the p-value for this test is 1.9. So this is careful here, 1.9487 times e to the negative 4. So that's going to be 0.00019. So 4 decimal places, I guess, would be 0.0002. Okay. And that should help you answer the remaining questions. The p-value. So the p is very low. Since p is lower than alpha, we're going to reject HL. So we can say that there is significant evidence to show that the population does not follow 2001 distribution. The data provides sufficient evidence to claim that the 2010 distribution is different than the 2001 distribution.